Assalamu alaikum guys. In this tutorial I will show you how to make these types of overlapping designs in Corel Draw. We can make these types of formats in Illustrator easily rather than in Corel Draw with the help of Live Paint tool. But if you want to do these types of designs in Corel Draw, you can do with your own style, or you can follow as I do. Okay, for this design, just start with a circular shape, not shape but line. With control key, make a perfect circle and then align it according to the design here with control key, and right click method. We can copy very quickly and perfectly. Select both circles, click once more time and then rotate it. While pressing control key, and according to default option constraint value of 30 degree, we got here copies, and then I want to repeat control R, by default it's short key, repeat duplicate. Okay, we get here all 2 and 4 and 2 6, all 6 copies of our circular shape, and then just follow the design and see which part is above and which part is under the line and which is under over the line. For this, it is easy to break lines in Corel Draw rather than in shape with trim command. So I will first prepare my design with lines, and then at the end, if I need, I convert lines into objects with the option we have here, convert outline to objects. Okay, for start, select shape tool and okay, first we have to change the shape of the circle because it's not a perfect circle. We have to modify it a little bit and then combine them. Click on arc from property bar and adjust the shapes of our circles like this. Click on arc, like this. Okay, for this area, just zoom in and try to adjust the edges of our shape. It's here and not going according to our requirement, but we can modify it according to our design. It's not a big issue. Okay, right click and I just change the color of the line so we can easily understand which part is under process. A little bit dark. Okay, a dark shade will look better. Okay, now we have to break it into different parts according to the design. Now go to shape tool and look at this part. This part is this part will go down, so between these two areas double click we cannot apply double click here to add nodes because it is a circular shape. According to the property bar we can see. So first we have to change it or convert it to curves. Control key is the short key. Now double click here and we have a new node here. This part will go down and this will go up and this will go down. Here and here and here. Okay, now select these three nodes and from property bar of our shape tool we have break curve. Then go to pick tool. On property bar we have option break apart. Control key is the short key. Now we have different parts of our line according to the nodes we have just added. Change the color of the segments we have created to understand what's going on. Here it is. We will make it to adjust the position of different segments according to the design of our lines we have prepared from circle shapes. Arrange, convert to curves, and then double click here, it will go down. It's already not there, and double click here, this part will go down and this part will be upside. Okay, pick tool. Now first we have to select these nodes, break curve, pick tool, break apart or go to range, break curve apart. Control key is the short key. Just change the color. Okay, upper part, its lower part, so this will the upper part, arrange, transform, no order to front of page, control on, like this, and it will okay. So we have the purple segment on the top and red segment on the bottom, and like these we will arrange all the segments. You will create it according to your design, and then you can see that there are black, white and black and then white. These are 4 areas, or you can see that these are 2 areas, 2 fillings with outlines. But here we have no objects to fill, we have only outlines. So we will add here 4 parts of our outline. One is already there, and I will add 3 more parts for this area, and you can understand what I want to say, how you can make this design. Okay, now I have a nudge offset because I am working with zoom in level, and that is why I have adjusted my nudge distance 0.02 inches, which is obviously very low because I have to work with zoom in level to make it more perfect and accurate as much as possible. Okay, now let's select this red part and make its copy with plus key from numeric pad, and then its outline, change its outline and control page down. It's 4 and its size will be less than 8. Okay, it's 4 and 5, 1 point difference between these 2 areas. And then another copy with plus from numeric pad, and the size will be 8. No, control page down, arrange its position, and then copy again and outline 8. Control page down, like that. Sizes of outlines we must have check them before our work to save our time, so that we can easily just draw lines or make circle shapes, and then from property bar just type your value and enter, and that's it. Okay, here is the complete and final format of the line segments on each areas of different segments of our broken lines we have already prepared according to the design requirement. And then when you complete it, you can convert it into convert your outline into object. Convert outline to object option Control Shift Q is the short key. For example, I select these two line segments, arrange, convert outline to object, and then just to remove this little bit area, and just to remove this spacing if it is there, double click and overlap. Now it's clear. Okay guys, that is the method I have used to prepare this design, and I hope you will like it and try to follow it. And here is the design, and here is the method. That's it. This is the method, guys, I have used here to make these overlappings, different segments, different lines. Okay guys, here is the method I have used to make this complicated design with a lot of overlapping areas. I hope you will enjoy it and try to make your own designs with these methods. Good luck and goodbye.